Alright, marker, take 4. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I hope you are. Last week I asked you guys to vote on what kind of tutorial you guys wanted to see. It was either a smoky eye or a halo makeup look. And so you guys chose the halo. I really tried my best. I don't know, I kind of struggled a little bit creating this makeup look, but it's okay, we made it through. And so that's what I'm here to do for you guys today. Before we begin, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 200 subscribers, which I'm so happy. Like, I can't even believe it. Like it's still like shocking to me that I'm close to being at 200. I can only imagine how I'm going to feel when I reach 500. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel and just supporting it. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's stop rambling. I'm gonna stop rambling because I can continue on and on and on. Alright, so let's get started with the video. So first thing, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer. Then I'm going to setting that primer with these two shades on my Profusion contour kit. And now I'm going to take my Dream Street palette by Colourpop and Kathleenlights, which I'm really excited to use and make this tutorial for you guys. So yeah, let's open it up. So now I'm going to take Shooting Star with a blending brush and I'm going to apply that on the crease. But as you can see, I am going to basically take it in my inner corner and a bit on the outer corner, and I'm going to leave a gap in the middle because we're going to add another color there. So I'm going to go back in with my Milani concealer and just apply a little bit of it in the center of my eyelid. And now I'm going to take Sweet Dreams with my finger and I'm just going to apply where I apply the concealer, just so I can get a better color payoff. Then I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and just blend out the edges just so the colors don't look so harsh on the eyes. And yeah. And then I'm going to take my Luxie brush 227T and use Elfish and apply it where we had applied our transition color. I'm just basically smoking it up a little bit. And now I'm going to take the Luxie brush 213T and I'm going to take Sweet Dreams and Kaleidoscope, and I'm going to mix those two colors and apply it where we had applied Sweet Dreams previously. But before that, I'm going to spray it with some rose water. And with a equal tool brush, I'm just going to take Moony and apply it on the brow bone as a highlight. And now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes since I'm not going to be using falsies, and I'm going to apply my Tarte's mascara. And I'm going to spray some of that rose water onto my sponge just so it can get a little damped. And I'm going to apply my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Perfecting Loose Powder and I'm just going to bake under my eyes. Now I'm going to take my Luxie brush 221T and I'm going to take Elfish and apply it on the waterline of my eye just so we can smoke up the look a little bit. I'm going to go back in with Sweet Dreams and Kaleidoscope and apply it on the inner corner with my pinky. And with the same Tarte mascara, I'm going to add another coat to my lashes and then I'm going to apply a little bit on the Laurel lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Profusion Pro Contour Kit and I'm just basically gonna use these two shades to contour. Yeah, I realized that I was using the wrong brush, so then I took another brush, the right brush, and yeah, we're just gonna apply that and just contour our face. And now I'm going to take Kathleenlights and Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Rev. I don't think I'm saying that right, and I'm so sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, we're going to go in with that. So I realized that the color did not go so well with the eyeshadow look, so I decided to basically go with another lip color. Now I'm going to take the Ultra Satin Lip in Dreamy and the Ultra Gloss Lip in Moonchild, and I'm basically going to use this as a combo. First I'm going to go in with Dreamy, and then after that I'm going to go in with Moonchild just so I can kind of gloss up the lip a little bit. And now I'm going to take my MAC Prism Powder Blush and just apply it on my cheeks. So now I'm going to take my Becca Pressed Powder Highlighter and Champagne Pop and apply it on top of the blush that I had put on. And then I'm going to set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water just so I can set everything in place. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe by clicking, let's click here. Click the bell so you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Oh, don't forget to follow my social media. All the direct links will be down in the description box. Okay, bye! Oh wait, I don't think I finished my thought. I have a tendency of not finishing my thought. Okay.